A key witness in the Madlanga Commission gunned down in front of his wife and children. Marius van der Merwe, commonly known as Vlam, was shot dead in Brakpan on Friday night. He was the owner of a security company called QRF Task Team. Van der Merwe was Witness D, who testified on camera on the 14th of November. Van der Merwe testified about a 2022 murder of a robbery suspect in Brakpan and an alleged cover-up involving suspended EMPD acting chief Julius Mkhwanazi. He had just arrived home with his wife at the gate. After he got out of the vehicle and was about to open the gate, he was shot and only 2 shots were fired. The people who were inside the house confirmed the same, and the gunman disappeared. Gauteng Acting Provincial Commissioner General Freddy Kekana told members of the media at the crime scene. Kekana added that a full-scale operation was underway as investigators moved swiftly to secure evidence. We have mobilized all necessary resources from national and provincial forensic ballistics. Every team is here to ensure that no stone is left unturned and that no evidence that may assist the investigation is overlooked. The Provincial Serious Violence Crime Team is here, including the commander and the provincial head. They are busy at the scene gathering all necessary evidence and working with forensics. The 41-year-old Marius van der Merwe was reportedly not under witness protection, and a gun was still holstered to him as he lay dead under a police blanket. Ramaphosa described the killing as an attack on justice and integrity. He said, as the government, we will redouble our efforts to protect whistleblowers, including witnesses before the Madlanga Commission and the Commission itself, as they serve the nation with bravery in the face of criminal threats, he added.
Suspect's location in Crocodile Road, Sally's Village in Brakpan. 300 Pretorians then pushed the man into the second bedroom and closed the door behind them. I noticed 300 Pretorians, the suspect with a plastic bag with the 2 SAPS Brakpan members assisting him from the right-hand side of the double bed. And that person gets suffocated to the point that he talks or cannot breathe, no longer breathe. I asked whether a suspect talked, and Deandre responded that he will never ever talk again. Chief Soup Julius Mkhwanazi, JD Mkhwanazi, arrived at the scene, and we were informed that this is the chief. JD Mkhwanazi said that we needed to throw the suspect's body into a mine shaft or dump it into a dam. As he said this, he looked at me. I felt like I was being forced. At this stage, I felt that I was being outnumbered. Deandre and Hanekom loaded the body onto my Ford Ranger. So literally just got the deceased by his feet, and I had to lift him over my shoulder. And that I was approximately 2 meters away from the dam, where I placed his feet into the water.